Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Today, it's Natalie Attired. This is a box of clothing, and I'm sure hoping that there are some fall fashions in this box that I can wear today. Like right now, I am looking for some new fall fashions. Hoping, fingers crossed, that there's a super cardigan in here. Natalie Attired has hooked me up with some really unique cardigans and fashions. I love this style subscription box. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. Hello, I'm really glad that you're here. I hope you'll subscribe and join me for a future video. To my returning subscribers, hello. It's so good to see you once again. So Natalie Attired is a style subscription service. I have a personal stylist, and she has curated this box based on my style profile. She sends me 5 things every single month. I get to try them on in the comfort of my own home and my camera. I share it with you, and I get to decide what I want to keep and what I want to send back. Postage is free both ways with Natalie Attired. Now, there is a $20 styling fee. I pay that $20 every time they put the box in the mail, but that's a credit that I can use towards anything that I keep in my box. If I don't buy anything, I lose that $20. So you know me, I am always looking for a way to spend that $20. Everything you need to know about Natalie Attired and getting a box for yourself is in the description box below. I do have a referral link. If you use that, thank you very much. You girls are awesome that use my links. You support this channel when you use the Kelly Shaffner links, so thank you. So let's just crack this box open and see what we have. Here is the inside of the box. This is what it looks like. So the bundle's always wrapped in tissue with the Natalie Attired sticker, and there is an invoice that I'm not going to look at right now. There is a personal handwritten note from my stylist. She says, "Hi Kelly, I chose a great pair of pants for the holidays. I like it already. I thought it would look really pretty with the berry blouse or the magenta sweater." Ooh, it sounds good. And the top. The Natural Life top is soft and comfy. I think you'll enjoy it. Love, Annie. Okay, this is exciting. I like that she's included some colors. She knows I like colors. The return mailer for anything that doesn't work. Okay, let me pull this bundle out. Okay, the bundle reveal. Ooh, I love the colors already. I really like these colors. What is this? I wonder if these are the pants. Can you see that? Polka dots, magenta, burgundy. Looking good. Okay. On the top, I bet this is the soft thing she was talking about. Natural Life. Yeah, this is, can you see how soft it is? Okay, so it is kind of like a marled look, burgundy. So there is a little bit of black in there. I like that. This is a rounded collar, or not collar, but the neckline. Ooh, a dolman. And, oh, that's interesting. Okay, so it does have an asymmetrical hemline, and it's got a point on it. This looks pretty interesting. Okay, next up is the magenta. And okay, this one's interesting. See that? It does have a drawstring around the waist and a bit of, not a peplum, but is this a button up? I think this is a button up. So I'm not mistaken, it's a button up, and it is a shorter sleeve. It looks almost like a dolman style as well. It does have a collar. I don't know. This is one of those tops that I have to try on for fit because this is a little bit unusual. It's got a lot going on with it. Okay, this is something Natalie Attired does quite a bit of. There's a cardigan. I love this cardigan. I like the color of it. So it is a magenta color, but it's a little bit muted. And then there's a top inside. The top, let's start with the top. The top is a Renee C. This one is pretty for fall. Look at those fall colors. Burgundy and gold. There's some cream colors in there, some pink. This is really pretty. So this is just a shell. And, oh, it does have a bit of a vent in the back. So is it high-low? No, I don't think so. Okay, I like this. I like the colors on this, but let's look at the cardigan. This cardigan color is really calling my name. Who is the brand? The brand is CLO, and I have purchased this CLO cardigan in other colors, and I like it. This one looks like it might be a little bit longer, which is a plus for me. So I'm excited about trying that. Okay, next up are the pants. Let me get up close. This is almost a metallic dot. And it's not a dot, it's a little square. These look really interesting. These feel like a dress pant. And do they have a seam down the center? They do have a seam down the center, which I appreciate because that seam is often slimming. It actually usually elongates the leg. These might be an ankle pant. Do they have a zip? I think these are a pull-on. If I'm not mistaken, these are a pull-on, and they have a nice wide elastic, but it is hidden. I like these. I hope that they fit. I'm excited to try these on. Everything has been tried on. I'm just glancing over the invoice right now, and the total of this entire collection is $232. Now, if I keep all 5 pieces, I get a 30% discount, which brings the total to $148.20. And now that's including my styling fees. So with the 30% discount, the price is $168.20. But then they credit me the $20 styling fee I've already paid, so the balance due would be $148.20. But with Natalie Attired, they have one of the best style subscription box discounts in the industry. If I keep 3 or 4 pieces, I can get 20% off my order. Now, I don't think all the pieces are perfect. Let's talk about them because I really need your help on this one. The first piece I tried on is this sweater by Natural Life. Now, this is a funky piece. I didn't expect it to fit like it fits, but I do like it. It does have the asymmetrical hemline. It is an incredibly soft sweater. This is about 60% rayon. It has spandex in it. It also has polyester in it. So I do think it's a piece that's going to wash and wear well. I like this piece. One of my concerns about this piece is, will I be able to wear a jacket with it? I think the answer is yes, depending on the jacket, because it's really tight on the arms and has that big dolman. But that's not a big concern of mine because this is a lightweight sweater. It's still warm enough to wear most of the time. I just want to be able to wear my winter jacket over it if I decide to wear it out of my house. This is exactly what I am looking for in this cooler fall weather. So I'm leaning towards keeping this one. What did you think? It's a funky sweater, which I truly appreciate. It's only $44. I have purchased this brand before, Natural Life, and I like it. But yeah, this is super cozy. This is a piece that I wouldn't hesitate to wear out, but it would be a great piece to wear when I'm just kicking around the house. Next is the Renee C top, and this one's only $34. So this is the least expensive garment in the entire box. And I'm not crazy about the piece. I love the colors. Love the colors on this piece. Renee C is kind of famous for these, really cool designs. And I like the colors, the band on the bottom. The gold is beautiful. It wasn't a great fit on me. I felt like it was a little tight around my hips, and I noticed later in the try-on, it didn't fit real well around the neckline as well. This is very thin too. So it's great to wear under a cardigan, but it's really too lightweight for what I'm shopping for right now. The cardigan is lightweight. So a lightweight cardigan over a lightweight shell is not enough for what I'm looking to purchase at this point in time. So even though the price on this one is great, I don't need it. I didn't think it was the best fit on me. So this cute little Renee C top is going back to Natalie Attired. The CLO Cardigan I love, and I think the cardigan paired with the Renee C top was gorgeous. I really like that combination, and I appreciate that my stylist put it together. I liked both pieces so much better together. Love the color on this cardigan. This again is a lightweight cardigan, but it's a color that I don't own, which is really hard to do because my wardrobe is too big. And so I think I need to keep this cardigan. It's only $39. It's a longer length. It does have pockets. It has the vents in the bottom, and I feel like the vents laid in the back. What do you think about the fit on this cardigan? Tell me if you thought that was a little bit wonky. I wanted them to be on my sides, but I love the color. I think I could get over where the side slits on the sweater are. This one is $39. That is the standard price for this cardigan. I'm glad to have it. It's a welcome addition to my wardrobe. So yeah, the CLO cardigan. So I saved the Naked Zebra top to try on with the pants that my stylist sent. This is the Naked Zebra in fuchsia, such a pretty color, but I'm not real crazy about the top, and it's probably the fit of the top on me. I didn't care for it. And I'll tell you what, I have not had any luck with Naked Zebra, and I really want to, because this is a polyester top, but it's one of those super silky polyester tops, and all of the pieces I have tried from Naked Zebra feel like a really nice quality polyester, but I don't like the fit on me. I don't like where the belt hits, and I don't like the way the belt is fabricated. You see it. You can see it in the try-on that it didn't lay flat. It just doesn't look like it's nicely done. And maybe that's just the fit on me. This one is only $39. I have always appreciated the price point of Naked Zebra. It's just a tough fit for me, but yeah. So there's the Naked Zebra that I'm not going to keep. Don't like it enough to keep it. It's very lightweight, and I would say this would be a better piece for springtime rather than fall in my world. So here's where I need your help, the tribal pants. So these are really a very, very pretty pant, and I think they're perfect for the holidays. I think you could wear these to the office, but I also think you could wear these to a holiday party. Now, the challenge here is, what do I style them with? Because my stylist didn't send a coordinating top to go with these, and I thought this is going to be easy, a white blouse of some sort. I did try these with a white button up. I did not like the way that they looked. I thought about silver or gray sweater with this. I only have one, and it has sequins on it. I thought that was going to be just a little bit too much. Maybe a gold silk button up. This is what they look like. That's actually what's going on in my mind right now. I like these a lot. They are an ankle pant, and they do have the slit on the side, which I appreciate. They're a little bit stiff. So I guess that makes them seem a little bit more dressy, but they're not 100% comfortable on. You can definitely feel that you've got stiff pants on. They're very comfortable in the waistband. And because they are a pull-on pant, I would definitely want to wear a top that covered the waistband. So I would really appreciate your styling ideas on these pants. I don't know if the camera is reading these as a bit of a metallic, but that's the way my eyeballs are seeing it. So these are $76. I like them an awful lot. If I purchase these and the cardigan and the Natural Life sweater, I have 3 items to get the 20% off. I'm not completely sold on these because I don't wear a lot of slacks. Yeah, I'm kind of a denim girl or a dress girl. So I would love to hear your thoughts on these pants, and in fact, your thoughts on all of the pieces I received. You guys really helped me to make my decisions about what I'm going to purchase and what I'm going to send back. I have 3 days with Natalie Attired to decide, so please leave your comments below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next video. Blessings.